Start off today's project with just a piece of stock cut off in the chop saw. And for what I'm making, that finish is going to be fine. I won't have to finish those edges. It needs 4 holes here, 2 for the original bolt mounting holes and 2 for the new mounting holes. And then in the center here, we need to have a recess for the new column to sit into. Just roughing it out with a standard end mill. I'll come back later and clean it up with a ball end mill, make it look nice and have the right profile. And here it is with that ball end mill. The column that's going in, well, you'll see later, but it has to sit in a recess to mount properly. And of course, gotta chamfer all the edges and countersink the holes. And then 2 of them have to be tapped. So that's the part pretty much done, just needs deburred. And once it is, I can put it in. So 2 fasteners to put it in the original mounting holes. And then attach the mounting bracket itself. You can see how the column sits up in that recess. But that's it. Quick and easy project. Thanks for watching.